Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to record the loops in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can find all the instruments we can play, we can find the audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with recording loops and creating loops in GarageBand. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here. It doesn't matter, you can open up any of the instruments. I'm just going to open up the audio recorder. It's going to open up the same menu right here, which is going to be the recording menu, where at the top of the screen you'll have the big red circle that's going to enable you to start recording. So what you want to do is make your recording that you want to loop. After you have finished with making a recording, you can find it right here in the upper left corner by clicking this edit menu. That's going to open up this mixing mode, where as you can see we can now find all the tracks that we have. I have my drums, I have created keyboard, and my audio record. So let's say I want to loop it. Basically guys, to loop your tracks, what you have to do is find the track you want to loop, and what you do now is tap on it. This is going to open up this new menu where one of the options is called loop. So what you want to do is click on loop guys. As you can see, this is now going to make a sample loop that you can use however you like, and you can edit it to however you like. If you want to remove the loop, what you have to do is just go ahead and tap on it and then reduce it to its original size, as you can see right here, and now it's no longer looped. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.